I'd do this unboxing on camera because it's a unique feature. And do it some age appropriate camera as well. So this is the PlayStation Classic, which has got 20 games on there. That's as far as I've opened it so far. I hope it comes with 2 controllers, I think it does. Usual stuff nobody reads. Damn, that's small. You look at these things online and you never get an idea really what they're like until you see it in person. I like the detail there, that's nice. So just a HDMI out, and then that is powered by micro USB, so that's convenient. Shame it doesn't open that thing, but then we can open it too. HDMI cable, power cable. Should be able to power it off the TV's USB technically. And it has 2 remotes, so you can tell I didn't really look into this much. I did see videos on it, but didn't look into the unboxing, I don't think, as I remember. Right, so we can power it on that. Make sure these cables go in the right way. Could ironically power it off the PlayStation 4 USB. I like that they provide a HDMI cable. A lot of companies don't now. And tight arse. Good size as well. Nothing special about it. Doesn't say PlayStation or anything on it. It's just generic HDMI. Yes. What do I power it on? Power it on the TV. Obviously it terminates in USB, but still that's... God, that... people moan about the build quality, that's pretty much how it was as I remember. I think these were bigger, but yeah, they got no dual shock. I know that's a big moaning complaint about it, but not bothered. The original ones didn't anyway, and they're kind of going for that. It's the classic vibes. I wasn't going to get one of these because of the price, but they've come down. It was on a Amazon special thing they're doing for the summer holiday or summertime. And they got it for 16 quid, so nothing. No. There's ways of hacking it now, so you can add more games. So that's cool. Alright, let's get that. Plug the USB in the right way. Done. Right. Let's get this party started.